Hello, 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 guys. Come and join me to my walk. Going to the mall. So right now, it's 8:52 a.m. So I'm going to buy acetone. This is the closest mall in this area to our apartment. So I will show you also all the houses that we. Let's see how many minutes takes going to the mall. It's another nice day. A little breeze. Breezy, breezy. It's a good to walk. So let's do it. Okay. So only straight from our house to here, because there's a gate here that you can get out. It's not automatic. It's you need to hit the button so the guard can open for you. The airplane is ready to take. It's ready to landing, not take off. I think that airplane over there. So this house is for sale. See, the mailbox. A lot of mail and 2 water bottle. This is the parking area. And then parking area also there, side by side. So I like this house because there's a gate on it. Okay, so this is for rent. I don't know if it's first floor or second floor, the rent, for rent. So this is all the houses here in Puerto Rico. Similarity in the Philippines. Different style, not like a same. But there's same also in the Philippines. I like the house with the trees. Full of trees. Oh, I forgot my smartwatch. Oh well. I can see on this live how many minutes it takes. So I don't need that smartwatch. This is another for rent. I don't know in first floor or second floor is available. So So this is the another entrance and exit. Only for the people who had a sticker and living here. But if you're not living here, you can go in the other area over there. So I will hit this button. Now it's open. And then you need to close it. Okay. And this is another entrance and exit for all the people that can enter without a sticker. So that's the way going to the base. Going to left over there, that's the base entering. The street over there is going to the left. So this is the walking area going to highway over there. So this is it. Welcome to Villa Capara Extension in Guaynabo. There's a gate over there, but they are closed. They're not open. They're not open anymore, I think. There's a gate over there. There's a gate over there. But this is closed forever, I think. And this is the back of the restaurant and bar, La Industria. And this is a Pizzaroni. The parking lot of Pizzaroni. We ate here a few times. Oh, there's a coffee here, by the way. I forgot to tell you. So this is the good coffee here. It's like Korean style inside. More on pink. The ambience there is a Korean style. So this is the Pizzaroni. Closest to our house. Chicken. And then that is La Industria. That's the bar that going to happen in a retirement party of my husband tomorrow. This is it. This is it. So this is the highway. See all the closest there. So this place the owner of this place is a friend of my husband, so yes. So already no customer yet, so we need to walk now. So this is the street. It's a walkable, very convenient this area for us. So Pizzaroni is open right now because I see the people inside, the workers. There you go. Let's walk now. So this is the only way that you can walk to the mall. Now it's quiet, no cars, but there's a mall over there. So welcome to Puerto Rico. This location is very good for us, but so we're gonna move soon. We're not leaving anymore. Oh, this is it. This is the San Patricio Plaza Mall. So when you get out in the walking area over there, stair, and there's another highway on the street. So okay. And you can walk now because no cars. So this area you can wait also a bus. It's a bus stop here also, see? But we never try that bus here. Unlike in Korea, I always like to go to the bus. So welcome to San Patricio Plaza Mall. It's not bad, my walk, so let's go inside. There's a cleaners here, laundry area. This is the entrance exit that you can get a ticket for free for 3 hours. There's another over there, here, and they're over there also. So side by side, there's a area that you can enter or exit. So let's go inside. Whew, hot. Oh my God, I feel, you know what? So this is inside. Welcome to San Patricio Mall. There's a TJ Maxx, Kikimo, coffee here. So, and then there's a elevator, escalator, not elevator, sorry. So escalator going down, there's another store over there. $20. Oh, this is cute though. $12. Oh, I want to buy this one. $18. It's cute. But I'm controlling myself. So this is all the businesses here in the mall. 50% here at Baker's. So there's a Miniso here. Miniso. I never enter here. I never try to enter. Pandora, of course. Another stair. If you don't like that escalator, there's a stair. So that area is going out in the event area and the coffee, Ocean Love. There's a B12 store here that you can get vitamins. Claro, pretzels, Eccentrics. I never go here also. I never enter also here. Next time I will enter one of this store if my plan is to stay here until afternoon. But my plan is only to buy the acetone in the Walgreens. So I will show you only a little bit here. But there's another upstairs over there in the movies area, cinema, food court. So this is it. So there's another entrance there, exit. So this is going to the cinema and food court upstairs. And now I'm going to buy acetone in the Walgreens. That's my purpose. Oh, it's a nice shoes. It's a lot of nice, but the question, do you need it? You want it, but the most important, if you need it. So you can save your money. buying a lot of stuff, but I have a lot of stuff that I didn't use yet. It's all brand new, so it's not a good idea to buy again and again and then stocking only. So this is an area that you can buy your makeup. This is Preciosa. Total, T-Mobile. That's my SIM here, T-Mobile. Italics, Marian. So I'm entering here in Marian. I buy some of clothes here. Sandals also, slippers. Now I'm entering in the Walgreens. Just to buy acetone. Okay, there you go. Acetone. I need the small only because I can stock. Good to go. What is it? Past dry. Oh, it's another past dry. Stay longer. This is all different style for your nail. But I don't need that. Only acetone because I still had all the color. But it's all nice to color your nail. All. What is the best color? I've been looking back. There's some way. What is this? Oil. This is argan oil top coat. Oh, next time I'm gonna buy this one to make your nail healthy. Protect your nail from breaking, splitting, and cracking. I have a cream, the coconut cream that I can put. Next time I'm gonna buy this one. So this color that I need to change is this. I just put this before. I have this one. And I tap the glittery style. I tap this one. Yeah, this one. I tap on it or this. No, this one. Illusion top coat. Apple green. I don't know if I have an apple green style. The neon green. So right now I need to finish only all the color that I have already. So so this is all for the putting glitters or stone salon pro toolkit. I need to have a bag. Like it's dark in the snow. Wow, fresh on. I never tried like this, but maybe I need it, but yep. I'm buying only acetone. Just the acetone. La 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 la. But all of these you can buy here at Walgreens. You can see, as you can see. This is nail polish remover. Oh. I need only small. This is big nail polish remover. Where's the small? Another small. Acetone. La 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 la. Ilbong. This is a small, but it's expensive. I like the cheaper only. There's acid on the cheaper. What doesn't have here? Look it up. It's $8 for the acetone. There's a cheaper. What is that? Cheaper acetone. Gel polish. Top coat. Cleanser. This is cleanser. Oh my gulay. I don't know if there's a acetone here that is not expensive. Oh, this is all nail, so this is all the brush for makeup. Makeup. This set is for $11. I need only the brush. It's more cheaper in Missouri though. There you go. This is $8.79. $49. $4. La 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 la. La 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 la. only brush that I need. Oh, this one. Okay, there you go. It's $3 for these. Oh, sorry. Anita. Non-acetone. Regular. This is okay, I will get it. And then acetone, I need two. I'll get the basket. And acetone. $4.29 and then $4.49, but it's bigger. It's $3. Okay, this is it. I'm done. I just bought here acetone and a brush. So when I got home, I will clean my nails and put a new color on it. So give me so long, I don't know. La luce. Mm, 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 mm.
Julia Torres, hace turno recetario.
I don't know how much $2 for this small. I'll buy this one next time. Made in China. Made in China. Okay.